Good evening mga followers. Mag-short Bible study tayo mga followers. Before tayo matulog, mag-short Bible study tayo. Our topic is about why did Noah need to build the ark? The continuation of yesterday night Bible study. Why did Noah need to build the ark? Noah needed to build the ark. Noah needed to build the ark to show his love, obedience, and honor for God. Noah was considered to be a blameless and righteous man in his community. When God gave Noah instructions to build an ark and what to put in the ark, Noah listened and obeyed. Have you ever felt God was calling you to do something that seemed impossible? With God, all things are possible. We are never alone. God is always with us and will guide us in every situation. Noah listened to God, obeyed his instructions, and was able to save his family and the animals in the ark. Noah didn't hesitate or question the intentions of God. God knew Noah would listen and follow his instructions. There are 5 things we can learn from Noah building the ark. Number 1 is God's plan is always the best. Number 2, when we trust in God, we have the opportunity to see the fruits of our labor. When we trust in God, we have the opportunity to see the fruits of our labor. Number 3, God's timing is always correct, or God's timing is always the best. Number 4, we don't have to know every detail in God's plan for us. Just trust Him. Trust God. Last, number 5 is patience may be an opportunity to develop a closer relationship to God. The message of Noah and the ark is one to be shared with everyone. God's